What's up, guys? It's Max here with carninja.com and Max's Garage. Just gonna show you why on Honda Fits, and I don't know what year Hondas this all applies to, but you want to be sure to check for rat damage if you're getting check engine codes out of nowhere on transmission or something else. What happens is the rats really like to chew the wires on these cars because they're made with soy, and actually Honda was part of like a class action lawsuit, so I'll show you what to look for. You're gonna want to pop the hood and look for any evidence of rat poop. Usually it'll show up like right there or down along in the engine block down there. And then what you're gonna want to do is, if you're on this particular car where you're getting a check engine code for a transmission solenoid that almost never goes bad. If you call a dealership, they barely even knew what I was asking for, and it sits underneath this air filter box. So I took all the air filter box off. It's pretty easy. Lift this all out of the way, and there's some solenoids you can see down there, and one of them, the wires had been chewed through, and you can see my repair job down there where I soldered on new wires. But if you took this to the Honda dealership, that repair would cost you roughly $1,500. So yeah, on any of these Honda cars, this one's around a 2015 or 16, look out for chewed wires. If you're having a random check engine code that's coming on suddenly and maybe your transmission is shifting weird, you need to get under this air box, look for rat damage, and don't overlook that. They could chew through any of these sensors because they like the wiring on this particular Honda year. So yeah, I think the wiring was made with like a soy coating, so be careful of that.